about something, stop looking on your phone. This thing, it rots the brain. I'm talking to you. Wait, don't go. Why do you enter people's DMs with hi? Just hi. Just hi. You've seen a job advertisement online. They've asked you to test this number. You take the number, you go to WhatsApp, and then you go and write, hi. Are you serious? Are you serious? You think the manager will actually see your hi and come and respond with hello? With hello. Here are 5 ways to send corporate messages to sound professional in your text messages. 5 ways. Number 1, go straight to the point. Send block paragraphs. When you are sending a corporate message, send it in block. Don't send hi, good afternoon, how are you? Please, I saw this number online saying I can apply. Can I apply? This is my CV. Don't do that. The second one, please learn to write professionally. When I say professionally, make sure your sentences are all grammatically correct. You are using punctuations, you are using capital letters when necessary. Please don't start a sentence with a small letter when you are sending a formal message to a boss or to a potential employer. For example, how are you? I'm fine. AMFYN. I'm fine. Please, PLS. Please, my name is. Who will take you serious? Nobody will take you serious. Please learn to write professionally. We all did formal writing in JHS and SHS. So I believe that we know how to construct formal letters and formal letters. When you want to send a corporate message, aside from sending it in block formats, please make sure that you are using punctuations when necessary and you're also using capital letters appropriately. Stop abbreviating your words. Number 3, please, if you go to an event, you go to an establishment, or you go somewhere, a program somewhere, and then you get a chance to talk to somebody, a role model or somebody that you admire. You talk to that person, you get a chance to meet that person. Please go straight to the point. Don't go and stand there and be fumbling and be japping. Oh, I like you so much. I like you so much. My name is Fatima Timame. You're my role model. I've been watching you since I was 8 years old. I want to be like you. By then, you'll be overstimulating the person. You overwhelm the person with your emotions. By the time you do your blah, 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 the person will say, okay, don't worry, we'll miss it, and the person will walk away. The 4th one, this is not even only when it's not only for when you're looking for employment. But the 4th one, if you go to your workplace, your colleague has come to you, talking to you about something, stop looking on your phone. This thing, it rots the brain. A face-to-face conversation with someone, and then you are on your phone. Hello. So what do you think about the new policies that was brought into the organization? What do you think about the change of system? I don't know. Anything they do, I don't know. Yeah. Please, it is appalling. Don't do that. When somebody is talking to you in a corporate setting, drop your phone. Drop it. The 5th and last one I have for you is know how to sell yourself. Know how to place yourself strategically and at what time. Know how to introduce yourself. For example, you meet a potential employer, a mentor, or even a role model, and the person asks you, hey, hello, can I meet you? Hello, my name is Fatima Mohammed. I am 39 years old. I like eating. I like sleeping. I like creating content. I am currently 6 feet tall. I am this. I like my favorite color is brown. Is this necessary? What is the person going to use with this information you are passing? You can start with your name. Then you tell the person, if you are schooling or working, you tell the person what you do. If you are schooling, you tell the person what you study. If you are working, you tell the person the work you are into, the industry you are into, how beneficial your industry is to the environment or people. If you are studying, how beneficial that course is to you and your future goals, and how you are going to align what you are studying now to your future goals and your career. These are things that you can tell your potential employer, your role model, or your mentor. It's places to strategically. So even if they have opportunity, when they won't even forget you, is because you have positioned yourself very well with them. You have sold yourself. You have introduced yourself very well. If later an opportunity arises, they can even think of you. That, oh, I met this girl. She said she's studying HR and she wants to be an HR in the future. And we are currently looking for an HR manager. Let me see if I have your contact details. Let me call her. Do you understand? But if you go and fumble, my favorite color is brown. I like sleeping. I create content. I am 6 feet tall. I am single at the moment. It is that useless. Nothing but useless. So please know how to place yourself strategically. I hope you enjoyed these tips. Please, sorry, you can come in. I hope you enjoyed these tips. If you did, make sure to like, follow, comment, and share. See you in another video. Until then, this is FBN Teachings. See you next time. It's a wrap, and then bye. Aww.